Jess, just 48 hours to go now until the third qualifier in this campaign. How are you and the rest of the squad looking forward to it?
Yeah, we're really excited for it now. We've been on camp for a few days, so I think a lot of us are just itching to get the game coming, really. But yeah, we've had really good preparation, and I think now it's just about getting the 3 points when the game comes around.
And more importantly, it's the first home game in this campaign as well, so you must all be looking forward to play in front of the home support.
Yeah, it's nice. It's nice to be home. Obviously, we've had the 2 away games, but got some great results. So you know, when you're home, there's always a little bit more pressure on you. So hopefully that the crowd comes out, they're on our side, and together we can get the points that we need.
The last campaign didn't exactly start as you may have wanted, but this campaign, 4 points from the first 2 games, this is a lot more positive at the moment.
Yeah, absolutely. I think the 4 points are probably what we would have expected if we had been trying to guess what we would want. And now the beauty of it is it gives us a little bit breathing space coming to these 2 games, but we're aware that we need 6 points here, and so that's what we're looking for. And obviously it all starts against Kazakhstan, and it's not going to be an easy game. But we've prepared really well and we've done a lot of work, so hopefully we can just put that into practice come a Friday.
Jane's often spoken about the mix between youth and experience in this squad at the moment, yourself being the most experienced experienced member of this squad. I mean, how have you found that with some of the young players that have come in? Have you had a different role to play?
Yeah, look, I think it is really important that you have your youth with your experience, and we've got a lot of youth. But a lot of really good youth, and the roles for us now as the older players is to make sure that we help them, but not only help them, push them a little bit, because you know we need them at the same time, you know, and so we have to respect them and respect what they can do, and they have to also respect themselves and come here and do the job, because if they're here, it's because they're good enough. And you know, that's the message that we have to send across to them, that they're here because they are good enough and we need them, and we've got to guide them in the right way to give them confidence and give them belief, because they're very good players and we just have to help them reach their potential. So that's our role. You know, we can't baby them, but we can't obviously treat them as if they've got so much experience either. So we have to get the balance right, but we've got a great group of experienced girls here, and I think that at this moment in time, the blend of the 2 is really good.
Have you noticed any similarities with some of the young girls that have come into the squad now from when you first came into the setup?
Yeah, I think, you know, there's always you're a little bit timid when you come in. You don't really want to be too out there and too talkative, but like I said, we have to try and get them to be those people, because if they're comfortable here, that's when they play their best football, and you know that's what we need. So we just have to make sure that we create the right environment for them, and I think that we're doing a good job of that. I would like to think that we're doing a good job at that.